Hello, everyone. This is our presentation on tropical seasonal forests and savannas.
Tropical seasonal forests have seasonal rain, wet and dry periods, and they are inhabited by tall trees and grasses. Some common plants that you could find there are deciduous and evergreen trees, orchids, and mosses. Common animal species found there are elephants, tigers, monkeys, koalas, frogs, and spiders.
So the biotic factors are that there are a great abundance of understory plants, which are shrubs and grasses, a small amount of trees, lots of foliage on soil during the dry periods, and an availability of predators, prey, and mates.
And here we have the abiotic factors of tropical seasonal forests. The temperatures are usually around 81 degrees Fahrenheit, but during the dry seasons, it's around 99 degrees. And overall, it has muddy, wet seasons, but when it's dry, like the dry seasons, it has dry and rough dirt. They consist of large boulders and small pebbles, has rich soil from high detritus, and the annual rainfall is about 75 to 100 centimeters a year.
The wildlife that can be found in tropical seasonal forests are giraffes, white rhinoceros, howler monkeys, white-throated magpie jays, and Guanica tortoises.
So let's move on to the savannas. The frequent fires during the dry periods of a tropical seasonal forest are what create savannas. They are located in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. They cover a big portion of Africa as well as Australia, South America, and India. Savannas are hot all year round with a season of heavy rain.
So here are some biotic factors of savannas. They have grasses everywhere. It consists of individual trees or small groves of trees, especially deciduous. There are trees and shrubs intermixed with dense grass understory. And the wildlife there consists of carnivores and herbivores together. And there are also an availability of prey, predators, and mates.
So the abiotic factors of savannas are poor soils. It's usually warm all year round and alternates between wet and dry seasons. There are frequent fires during dry season, and annual rainfall ranges from 50.8 to 127 centimeters a year, and the temperature ranges from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius.
So for the wildlife in the savanna biome, we have the African elephant, the black mamba snake, Egyptian mongoose, wildebeest, caracal, and the lion.
So, where are tropical seasonal forests and savannas found? As you can see, we provided a map of where they're mainly found. It's found in South America, Mexico, Africa, India, and Australia.
So the similarities between the two biomes is that they both have deciduous trees during the dry seasons, and they have wet and dry seasons.
So the differences are that the wildlife and plants in the two biomes are different because the savanna has not as much rain as the tropical seasonal forest, so the wildlife and plants there are more adapted to saving their water. And then the tropical seasonal forests have more densely growing trees, while the savannas have individual kind of patchy trees. And then the savannas have a warmer climate than the tropical seasonal forests.
Thank you for watching.